Okay, so same thing. This should be Thursday, February 9th. Okay. So a food web is a very complicated food chain. Nothing in this world, you don't just eat one producer and then one consumer and then another consumer. Different things eat different things to survive. So you can see here, you could probably make those. Oh man, what is the word I'm thinking of? Guys, I don't know. Assumptions about who eats what here. Okay, so let's go through this. A food web is a connection of food chains with many food energy paths in an ecosystem. Okay, this is beneficial for a lot of reasons, and I'll list some of those reasons as I'm going through this. So again, the source of all energy is the sun. Everything we have is because of the sun. Okay, and we're also going to add our arrows and label the arrows as energy and label producers and consumers as we go. I need you to stick with me because this one gets a little complicated. So if we need a pause after each arrow, that's fine. Producers only get their energy from the sun, right? They have to use the process of photosynthesis. So these two little guys right here are our producers. That you're not going to see this grass and these seeds go out and eat a burger. That just doesn't happen. Okay, so the grass gets its energy from the sun, and the grass is a producer. So get both of those written down. Okay, that is because it needs photosynthesis to have the energy. Same thing with the seeds. It gets its energy from the sun. It is also a producer. Okay, so pause here if you need to. Next, the mouse. He gets its energy from the seeds. He is a consumer. He must eat in order to get energy. He could also get his energy from the grass. Okay? See if I can go back one. Okay. Please also write the word energy here if you can. Okay? Next thing we have is the squirrel. He can get his energy from seeds. Okay? And then he is a consumer. Okay? Next, we've got our little deer who gets his energy from the grass and the seeds. So this is the new one that popped up right here, these two. Okay? He is also a consumer. If you want to get really specific, we could talk about the types of consumers that they are. Excuse me. Okay. So a deer, he's going to be an herbivore because all he eats are producers, right? I'm just looking for this old one that I did. And then this mouse is an omnivore because they can eat bugs. So they eat other consumers and they eat producers. And this squirrel is an herbivore because he only eats producers. Okay. So if you have a minute and you want to add that in, you could put omnivore here, herbivore here, and herbivore here. Only if you really want to. Next thing is this mountain lion gets his energy from the deer. So the deer, when he dies, he gives him all of his energy. This mountain lion can also get his energy from the squirrel. He can also get his energy from the bird. Okay, he is a consumer. More specifically, he is a carnivore. So the bigger the consumer, the more options to eat. Okay, so this little guy, he only has a couple of options. But the bigger you are, the more you get to eat. We are on the top of the food chain, and that's why we have unlimited possibilities. Also McDonald's, you can't just go out and be like, can I get a quarter pounder? Okay, next guy is, I missed it. Is the eagle. He gets his energy from the mouse. He can also get his energy from the squirrel. And then he can also get his energy from the snake. he is a consumer. He is a carnivore, okay? What did I miss? Sorry. The bird is a consumer who gives his energy to the snake. Okay, and the mouse also gives his energy to the snake. So you can pause this here. That is everything on this foldable. It is a lot. Okay, the snake is also a carnivore. And the bird, I would say, is an omnivore because it eats seeds and bugs, if I didn't already say that. So fill this out, okay? You're going to need this tomorrow for tomorrow's assignment. This